Yo, what's up guys? This will be the first ever PBA trade na official from the Titan Ultra Giant Riser. So, tingnan natin yan sa video na ito. So, Titan will trade James Quecote to Phoenix Fuel Masters para makuha nila ang service ni Ato Ular. Na ever since his rookie season with Blackwater, he showed na kaya niyang mag-produce quietly. So, nung time niya nun, double threat pa nga siya. High energy, efficient sa ilalim, at may hustle plays na hindi laging nakikita sa stat sheet. The issue with Ular has always been fit. Nung lumipat siya sa Phoenix kasi hindi talaga siya nagkaroon ng consistent minutes dahil overloaded yung front court rotation nila, tsaka parang nagiging redundant sila ni Jason Perkins. Pero dito sa Titan Ultra, magkakaroon agad siya ng role, ma-address yung immediate need ng team na bagong franchise na kulang pa ng solid identity. So, having a hardworking big man na marunong sa mga pick and roll actions, masipag mag-crash ng boards, at magbigay ng second chance opportunities is priceless. So, mawawala sa Titan si James Quecote. Though okay lang kasi parang same type lang naman sila ni Joshua Monzon. So, James is an exciting guard with two-way potential, pero Titan already inherited a guard-heavy lineup galing sa Northport. May mga ball-dominant players na kayang mag-create. So, in short, surplus sila sa guard. So, deficient naman sila sa reliable bigs. That's why this trade makes basketball sense. At hindi natin masasabing farm team na mga move yan, ha. From Phoenix perspective, so okay lang din naman sa kanila, magkakaroon sila ng mas bata na wing or guard who can develop into a solid rotation piece. With Phoenix transitioning at guard spots, having a slasher like Quecote who can defend multiple positions give them flexibility moving forward. So, the bigger picture is Titan Ultra is sending a message. They're not just here to participate, they're actively reshaping the roster to be a playoff competitive as early as this year. So, usually kapag expansion ka ng mga teams, it takes years to build chemistry and find talent. Yung ibang team nga dyan, ang tagal na sa liga, rebuilding pa rin, diba? Pero yung Titan Ultra is showing na willing silang mag-trade, mag-tinker, at maghanap ng right balance right away. So, getting Ular isn't a blockbuster move, pero it's the kind of smart foundational move na pwedeng magbayad in the long run. So, this trade shows Titan Ultra values frontcourt stability over guard depth. And for the franchise na looking to establish itself, that's the right call. If Ular thrives with bigger minutes, this could easily be remembered as the team first cornerstone trade. So, ano sa tingin nyo yung trade na to? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. Sino yung panalo? This is Egun Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye!